Hi friends, a very happy and prosperous Diwali from us to you.
Yes, so today is Diwali and I wish you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Enjoy with your family, go out with them, celebrate, pray. Wish you a very happy and prosperous Diwali.
Take a break.
Yeah,
Just take a break.
Basically, take a break. Diwali is the time to be with family. I mean, it's one of my favorite festivals and I'm sure it's yours. So don't think about studies right now. Just enjoy Diwali, have a good relaxation, and will recharge post Diwali for NEET PG. What do you say, Vishika?
Yeah, I mean, you've already taken your INI-CT, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you are already beating yourself up after looking at the recall videos. But remember, INI-CT was not our main target ever.
Yes.
The main exam is yet to come. So do not bog yourself down with this.
Yeah, so INI-CT was just a grand test for a lot of us. And our main exam is NEET PG, for which we have good 3 months with us. So the exam is on 3rd March, the dates are out. So you have around 3.5 months, I should say, half of November as well. And so you have very good amount of time to prepare for NEET PG, especially if you are someone who was done with his or her syllabus once for this INI-CT. And that is one of the reasons why I encourage a lot of students to give INI-CT in the first place, because at least उसके बहाने आपका कोर्स हो जाता है एक बार, है ना, and you can revise after that for your NEET PG, and revision will form the basis of a good rank for your NEET PG, believe me or not.
The key to getting a rank in any exam is multiple revisions.
Right, एक ही चीज को बार बार पढ़ना है, but अच्छे से पढ़ना है. And so we have around 3.5 months. We'll come up with a strategy plan for these 3 months, how you should study, irrespective of which phase of your preparation you are in. If you are someone who was done with his or her syllabus by this NEET PG, very well, good for you. But if you are someone who was not done with his or her syllabus, maybe he or she just completed 3 or 4 subjects, but still you have very good fighting chance for this upcoming NEET PG. And so I want you all to come back to the studies after having a good break for Diwali.
It's important to recharge.
Yes, definitely. And I'll tell a personal incident from my PG days as well. So during my November INI-CT, when I was an intern, I got a rank of 187. Now I know it's not a very bad rank, but at this rank, I was not getting the clinical branches that I wanted to do during my time. And so I decided that, okay, at this rank, I have not given my 100%. And there was still NEET PG to come, there was still May INI-CT to come. And so I decided that let me at least give my 100% in an exam. Whatever that result for NEET PG, whatever that result for May INI might come, but at least I would be satisfied that I gave my 100%. And so I want you all to just believe that you can get a very good rank in NEET PG or May INI if you give your 100% now, irrespective of how much you have studied, how was your MBBS, आपने कितनी मस्ती करी है नहीं करी, प्रॉफ में कैसे मार्क्स आए हैं नहीं आए, आपकी क्लास में क्या पोजीशन थी प्रॉफ में MBBS में, does not matter at all. Believe me, I don't have any gold medal, any book prize in my MBBS, but I still got a rank 4 in May INI. So all of you are capable of getting a good rank. Just recharge after this Diwali and we'll prepare together for NEET PG.
And just remember कि सबकी रैंक 1 नहीं आएगी, सबकी रैंक 4 नहीं आएगी, और हमें चाहिए भी नहीं.
हाँ.
हमें बस अपनी सीट चाहिए,
अपनी पसंद की सीट चाहिए.
And this is especially a message. I took a drop after my internship, and this is specifically a message for those who are thinking कि इस साल ही internship करिए, इस बार तो नहीं ही होगा. Do not skip your exam. Sit for it. चाहे ना हो, चाहे कितनी भी घटिया रैंक आए, but just sit for it. At least you'll get a feel of sitting in the exam और question कैसे आते हैं.
Yeah, irrespective, even if you're an intern, like Oishika very well put it out, that still you should definitely give NEET PG, irrespective of your level of preparation, because it will accustom you to see कि अच्छा real life में कैसे एग्जाम आ रहे हैं भाई. क्वेश्चंस लोग PYQs करते रहते हैं, PYTs बोलते रहते हैं, but actually एग्जाम में आ क्या रहा है. So definitely do appear for NEET PG and together we'll crack it. Thank you and happy Diwali to you all from both our sides.